Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be explaining what the 9-point circle is. The rule of the 9-point circle is this. The midpoints of the three sides, the base points of the three heights, and the midpoints of the line segments between the corners of a triangle and the intersection of the heights are on a circle. Source: Mathematics from the Birth of Numbers by Jan Goldberg, page 433. Now I've actually drawn a 9-point circle. These are the midpoints of the sides. These are the bases of the three heights. And these over here are the midpoints of the line segments between the corners of a triangle and the intersection of the heights. So, as you can see, if you draw the triangle and circle accurately, you'll find that the circle passes through these 9 points. Now, drawing this triangle with the correct points is easier said than done. Since I'm making a short video about the 9-point circle, I won't be explaining how this was drawn just yet. If you want a rough idea though, visit mathematics.proofs on Instagram and click over here. Here you'll find the rough workings. To emphasize the rules of the 9-point circle, I've also made an animation. This can also be found on mathematics.proofs on Instagram. For more geometry and mathematics proofs videos, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.